Good day to everyone. Today we are going to read and understand chapter 8 and the chapter name The Boy Who Cried Wolf. And first of all we are going to start with warm up. So what is written here? Describe a trick you played on your friends on April Fool's Day. How did you feel? What did they do? Students, on first day of April, we celebrate April Fool's Day. You have to describe a trick that you have played on friends. How do they feel? What did they do? So you have to describe. So we start with first line. A boy had just left school. A boy had just left school. He was sent out to take care of some sheep. Here in this picture you can see one boy with some sheep. These are sheep. Sheeps. He watched the sheep for a long time. When he was tired of watching them, he thought he would have some fun. Who thought? The boy. Here he is using for boy. He thought he would have some fun. What the boy did? He thought a plan. He shouted, "Wolf, wolf," as loud as he could. The men in the fields heard him shout. They came running up with sticks to beat the wolf and drive it away. Again we can see in the picture, they all are having sticks. They have sticks to beat the wolf and drive it away. They were surprised when didn't see a wolf there, because when they saw there was no any wolf, it means the boy played a prank. Where is the wolf? They asked it. There is no wolf, said the boy. I called out for fun. It was good fun to see you all running up for nothing. The men were angry and went away. Look at the faces of all of them. They are angry. Next day, the boy went out with the sheep again. When he was watching them, a wolf came. The boy shouted, "Wolf, wolf," as loud as he could. But the men said, "It is only that boy calling out for fun. He will not catch us this time." It means they decided not to go. Do you know why? Because one day before, boy played a prank. So no one came to drive the wolf away. The wolf went off with one of the sheep. The boy went home sad. The boy is sad. He had lost one of his sheep because of wolf. So he said to himself, "I will never again shout wolf, wolf when there is no wolf." So students, what is the moral of the story? If we will lie, then people will not believe. It means we should never speak lie. We should never lie. So okay students, if you have any doubt related to the chapter, so we will discuss once again. Thank you.